Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to make a beautiful resin ocean coaster in new style. Welcome to Handmade Dunyask channel. If you're first time in my channel, subscribe, like this video and leave your opinion in comments. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it in comments. First we mix sand color with epoxy resin and pour a thin layer. Leave it for 2 hours. Now add seashells and sea stars. Pour another layer of epoxy resin with blue color. Then I will add a little UV resin with dark blue inside the epoxy resin.
In description, you will find a link for my shop and my accounts on other platforms. I will await you there.
I used UV LED on it for 2 minutes, then leave it 12 hours to get hard. Then I added white UV resin on the top of waves. Let the coaster cure for at least 24 hours before removing it from the mold. And there you have it, your very own resin ocean coaster. Thanks for watching. Now write your opinion in comment. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it in comments. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tutorials like this one. Now you see a playlist for waves tutorial and another one for coasters. Visit them to see more tips and tricks. Stay safe and have a great time. Bye!